so excited about this lesson today. This is going to be so much fun. So to make things a little bit easier, I've included a PDF in your Canvas assignment. So you can download the assignment PDF, well, the little PDF, and then you can print it. If you do that, then I'm going to show you right now how to fold your paper. Hey, if you don't have a printer, no problem. Get a regular piece of paper and fold it just like I'm going to show you. All right, so here we go. First thing you're going to do is fold your paper along the longest axis. So that's the one, you see I've got a long axis and a short axis. So you're going to fold it right there. So now you have a long strip of paper. And then you're going to fold it one more time along this line. And now, well, he's upside down, but now Beethoven is at the front of a little booklet that has a map, a dot map, and a rhythm. Okay, so when you get that ready, come join me in the video below and we'll have a look at a fantastic piece of music by Beethoven. All right, see you in a bit.